Greetings and salutations, my dear sweet friends, investors. We're back in the market on a Tuesday, and man, the market keeps going up. It just keeps going up. It's getting a little scary, to be honest, because everyone's going, this can't keep up. It just can't keep up. Let's talk about Palantir and Sofi Technologies. First, we'll talk about Sofi here. So this is a stock that has been really, it's been an underdog for a while here, and a lot of people have been talking about it with Palantir. It's always been mixed in with Palantir. And now that Palantir has been doing really well, people are looking at Sofi and going, maybe I should pull the trigger on this one too. Now, this is a company that has changed its directions the last few moments, we'll say here, to where they're going as a company. Now, the revenue has not been crazy, but it has been getting better. They are receiving new contracts. So this is another company that is somewhat shadowing Palantir right now. But saying that, Sofi, this is not a company that more than likely will be beating Palantir with its contracts that we know of right now with me making this video. So if you come back in a month and they've got a whole new deal planned, I'm sure you'll have something very sweet and nice to say to me. But right now, Sofi needs to be one of those companies that we really keep on the top of the list and watch. And I dare say, man, even, really think about walking into it here. So right now, the investors, most of these analysts, they're calling the bid price where they believe Sofi is going to play here for a little bit around a $12 to $9 range, and that's pretty much what we're seeing right now. And $12 looks like it's happening more than not here. It's only Tuesday in the market. Tomorrow's Wednesday. We could have another nice day here in the market. One of these days, more than likely, we're going to see a sell-off, whether it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday here. Not sure yet, but it's coming. But it's not going to be a drastic sell. It's just going to be a, let's kind of reboot here and we'll come back in. And like I said, Palantir, obviously we're not talking about at the moment here, but as Palantir has been taking off, Sofi has been taking off here too, with some situations that have been going on with it as well. And it's pretty much imitating right now Palantir, because people, like I said, it's like CVS and Walgreens right now, or Eckerd's or Walgreens. Does anybody know what an Eckerd's is? Anyway, they're just kind of in the same category right now where people are putting them. So you have to watch them here. And they're not struggling companies. These are not companies that are like, we just don't know if they're going to make it in the end. They're doing just fine. Now, the question is, where will Sofi be here at the end of the year? Will Sofi be anywhere around $100 stock? I don't know. So far, what we know right now, Sofi more than likely will keep going up this year. And it will continue to trail Palantir, I believe. But there will be a breakoff point where Palantir will probably leave Sofi, from what we know right now, a little behind. I can definitely see Sofi running to a $15 to $20 mark here within the next few months. And if we see a big deal come in here, another big deal, more than likely it'll run it up even faster. So friends, keep a watch on this company right now. Talking about Palantir, obviously this is something that I have been preaching. It's like my little baby. I just love Palantir. It has been doing amazing. I think we all know about the deals that are going on right now with it. Today, Palantir even hit back into the $16 range and trying to get to a $16.10 today, just falling short. But hey, it's still a great day. So, there's people that are still not believing what's going on right now with these two companies, Sofi and Palantir. And, Palantir, you'd kind of be crazy not to believe what's going on right here. There's so much good news that we know it's coming around the corner here with the company and the stock itself. And that's what a lot of people are here investing on. And I don't want to sound like a broken record here. I've talked about Palantir so much and what we know. And I think the majority of people are kind of caught up on Palantir with what's going on with the company. They've had 3 major big deals come in here, of which they really haven't received money yet. So when that money starts to filter in here through these next quarterlies, that is really what's going to grab investors' attention. And, we're going to see, okay, well, there's the proof on the cake there. There's the cherry. So we've just hit this climb with Palantir on the sense that the stock is going to be bringing in bigger money here in just a few months. And looking on the other hand with Palantir, you have to put this in the back of your mind too. is that if Palantir grabs another deal here, let's say it even grabs a deal for just, a measly, 10 million, 20 million, $30 million. That's a lot of money, but compared to the other deals it has right now, it would still be pushing up their next quarterlies to big numbers they have not really seen before. So it would just take one more significant deal to push Palantir here over into this $20 mark. Now, I believe $20 is coming whether you want it or not. It's going to happen. It's not going to stop. It's just right now, it's hit this range of 15 to 16. I think it's going to play around a $16 to $19 mark here. Most analysts, from what you read, are saying that they believe the new, stock price in Palantir is a 16 to, I think they said like a $19.50, $20 range. So it's pretty much a $20 range. So these are numbers that we're going to be seeing here for a while. It would take something dramatically to shoot the stock down. Palantir stock should not go back down. I mean, we should not see $10. We may see $13, $14 on a sell-off day, a bad day. But we should not see low numbers again in Palantir. I mean, just with the deals that we have set going into these next quarterlies, into the new year, Palantir is just going to continue to go up here. This is not a stock that's going to be struggling. So, if you missed out at $10, $11, I mean, that was it probably. Those numbers are gone. Unless something dramatic happens in the market, which I hope it doesn't. I hope it doesn't, because I think a lot of us are locked and loaded and ready to go into a bull market whenever that, happens, probably next year, the year after that, who knows. I still think Palantir is at a great range of buy-in, because what we're expecting with Palantir is big numbers. We're expecting $100. We're expecting more than $100 with Palantir, because like I said, we know it's going to continue to bring in more deals here. So friends, it's only Tuesday. Palantir is back up to $16. I would not be shocked if we broke back into 17 and maybe sometime this week. Like I said, we don't know when the sell-off is coming in the market here. It might happen tomorrow. We've seen plenty of sell-offs on a Wednesday, and the market has been kicking back up on a Thursday, Friday. But this could be the week where we see another new number be set for Palantir. We might see $18 this week. We could possibly see $18. And especially if we see some more good news, man, oh man, light that other rocket. This bad boy is taking off even higher. Friends, I really do want to wish all of you the best of luck. Sofi, Palantir, these are two stocks. Please, for the love of God, if you like investing, if you want to invest in something for your future, please do your due diligence on these stocks, on these companies, because software, AI, technology is only going to grow and get bigger and become an even bigger booming money pit in the future. So that's a good money pit, by the way. Friends, I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.